almost like you're struggling to breathe.
Somehow, I'm not able to escape it.
I'm Charlotte Gosling, and I'm trying to shed light on the sickle cell blood crisis. I know sickle cell is most common in people with an African or Caribbean family background, but even though I never came in close contact with it, I want to, and if there's more that needs to be done to help. I'm on my way to speak with Miriam, a musical theatre actress who's currently appearing in Hadestown on the West End. Right now, she's on sick leave due to having a crisis a week ago. How are you feeling now?
I'm good. I am getting stronger, having a crisis that lasts. So, one, the pain felt a lot worse. Like, you know, when usually you get used to pain, especially when you have sickle cell, it's just your lifestyle, unfortunately. I was like, wow, this is what I used to endure constantly. Yeah, it was hard. Also, being in hospital, there are some nurses that dismiss you. And
we were forced to
I
produce.
understand they're so busy. I get it, you're overworked, but also like my life's on the line. And to not feel comforted, have the best understanding, so they know that like my pain isn't fake, or that I'm not being dramatic, or just because
nurses believe like you're just lying about it, like faking
so
it.
they don't say it, but the way they act gives you that impressionable state.
And you shouldn't have and you shouldn't have to be fighting.
You shouldn't have to be
people that are meant to be taking
care of you. Exactly.
Yeah.
So a lot of the time, I'm glad that my mum would be there, or my boyfriend would be there, or my brothers would be there, because they're able to be like, hello, she's been waiting for her medicine for the last 3 hours and nobody's giving it to her. So yeah, it's been a whirlwind of a time being in hospital, and I'm glad I'm out, and I pray I stay out for a long time now, but...
Amen.
Amen. Amen.
There are many different ways a crisis can be triggered, the most common being dehydration, extreme temperatures, and stress.
Like when I was grieving the loss of my father,